Hello kids and welcome back with another interesting video. In today's video, we are going to learn how to write F. In my previous video, we have learned how to write A to E alphabets. Now, let's get started. First of all, to write F, we have to draw a straight line. Do you remember the straight line? Very good. I'll write a straight line. This is a straight line. Now I'll make it F. This is a F. Another method to write F is simply just draw two dots. This is two dots and match the two dots and draw these two lines and we have A. Now we will write lowercase f. Again we will draw a straight line and we will make a shape like this and draw a single line like this. This is also called a slipping line. Now we will write G. If your C is perfect, if you know how to write C very well, you can easily write G. First of all, write a C. If you don't know how to write C, draw a half circle. This is a half circle. And now this is also a C. Now this. Second step is this. First step is draw a half circle, that is a C. Write a C. Second step is draw a single line like this. Now a single line and this is a G. I'll show you again. Draw a C. This is a C and draw like this a straight line and this is a G. Now we will write lowercase g. For lowercase g, you have to draw a straight line. This is a straight line and a half circle. This is a half circle. Now the lower part of G should be the same, should be equal to this part, like this. These two areas should be same. G should not be like this and G should not be like this. These twos are wrong. Again, I'll show you how to write lowercase g. Draw a straight line and a half circle, and from the bottom we will draw this like this. This is our G. Now we will write H. Draw a single dot and again a dot. Second dot should be equal to the first dot. Now again another dot and another dot. Draw a straight line by joining the dots. Now we have draw these two straight line. You can also simply write the dots, or you can also draw these two straight line. And now a slipping line here. This is H. Again, we will write a straight line, and this is our lowercase h. A straight line is called I, and a straight line is also called I. After I, we will learn how to write G. For G, we will write a straight line. This is a straight line. So I have started. Now after I, we will write J. To write a J, we will draw a straight line. This is a straight line, and on the top we will draw a slipping line, small slipping line. And now we will write like this. This is our J. Now for lowercase j, same like this, we also draw a straight line and a dot on the top, and again we will round it. This is a lowercase j. Now for k, first of all, write a straight line. After straight line, we will draw two dots here. Write these two dots here and a third dot in this, in the middle line. Right, now we will match these two dots, and your K should be look like this. K should not look like this or look like this. This is K. Now I'll write lowercase, same like uppercase. We will draw three dots and will match these three dots. This is K. These should be matched. This line should be same to this line. Now after K we have L. Simplest. Draw a straight line and a small slipping line, and lowercase l is just a straight line.